And for this one, we want 5, so we want, what do we want?
1, 0, 1, 0.
1, 0.
We want the 4, and we want the 1, and 0, 0 here. That represents 5. Binary coded decimal. Okay. Now, lab 5, now that we're here, lab 5, and I'll pass it out after I get through talking about timers, is counting to, how high can you count on one hand?
If you know sign language.
This could be a one question on lab 2, or I mean quiz 2.
15.
15?
Yeah.
Anybody else? 25? Anybody else?
I can go up to 1,000.
1,000?
I know sign
I know sign language.
language.
Oh, so can my granddaughter. I can't.
Yeah, so are you just talking about the average person, or?
I'm talking about anybody that learns binary numbers. How high can you count if each finger is a bit?
5.
No, it
So
would
you have
be
5 bits.
Yeah, it'd be 5 bits, which would be 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1, all added together.
So it'd be these 3, yeah,
31.
31. Now that could be a question on quiz 2. Lab 5 is counting to 31 on one hand. Pull them up, 1. And it's easy to, once we get into a rhythm, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Notice this 1 is every other 1, of course. And I kind of fill up to the highest one so far. Where am I? 11? And you bring these 2 down, bring up that, there's 12, then 13, 14, 15. Tuck those in, there's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Tuck all those in, bring up there. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Lab 5, voila.
So we're supposed to learn how to do that?
Yes. I can't think of a better way to learn binary than that. But if you get in the rhythm, it's, I don't want you to memorize which one is 15 or which one is this or which one, I don't want you to memorize the combination. But if you start from 1 and going up through 31 and get in a rhythm of just adding 1 more every time, then it works out.
So you add this one, then add this one, then.
No, this is 1,
Oh,
that's 2. You make
add
3, you add the 1. 4, tuck these in, and I'm sorry, there's 4. 5, there's add 1, and then 6 right next to it, add the 1 again, 7, 8. And you just kind of work your way up, and you always start from the right side.
From the thumb.
Well, from the you're looking at the thumb, and it's the right side, from right to left. Why they count that way, I don't know.
Your left or my left?
I'm left-handed.
Well, I'll be standing right over you, and it'd be like this. From where you are, it'd be like, yeah, 1, 2, or 1, 2, etc. The other one is another question. Another problem would be, I'll give you a set of 4, and what does that equal in decimal? And then I'll give you,
Well, answer. What does it mean in decimals?
I'm sorry?
You said you would pick out 4, and what does that mean in decimals?
Yeah,
Be
I-
ones or zeros, right?
I would give you
Nibble.
4 bits. And maybe the conditions are like that, maybe they're like that, maybe they're like that.
I
And I want you to
prefer
tell me what the number is, what the decimal
Oh,
value
you're
is.
gonna put in the, I thought you wanted us to guess what numbers were there. I was going,
Guess what? No. But that's one of the, that's on the quiz. Any questions on this?
The lower, I understand everything you've done, just the terminology on the top, does that refer to it differently than, the numbers? at the bottom?
These numbers,
Yeah.
that's the values, right?
this would be,
Weighting category.
this would be the VCD. The values of that group, that group, that group, and that group.
And the lower is it referred differently, that you have at the bottom there, where, yeah, the very bottom,
I probably shouldn't have put these up here. Yeah, I was kinda extending these up, bit 0, bit 1, bit 2, bit 3. And would it be help if I took this out?
no, I follow all of the math, I understand all that, I'm just wondering if there's different or more terminology. You got the BCD at the very top, at the very bottom of your chart, is that just referred to as binary? Or is the whole thing, binary code decimal?
What, this right here?
Yeah,
This would be binary.
so that's just
Where,
binary.
yeah, where you have 2 to the first power through
Wanna
2 to
wake
the
it up.
15th power.
Okay, so that's
That's strict
binary.
binary.
Okay.
Yeah, binary coded decimal is when you have sections. You may only have 2 digits.
That's fine.
A good application on this would be a thumb wheel, a physical thumb wheel that you have in the field. And you'd need 5 wires coming out to it. One is a hot Tom, or Tim, rather.
Huh?
Tom or Tim? Tom, Tim.
Frank.
You're not Frank.
No, I'm not.
Where was I?
Thumb wheel.
Oh, a thumb wheel. You'd have 5 wires going out to it. Each wire would represent one of the 4 bits. Then you'd have a hot wire, or a return coming back. So you'd have a hot wire coming out. And then if they put 3 there, then you'd have a signal coming back on these 2 lines. That's the main reason. They don't use thumb wheels anymore because they have digital readouts and whatnot, and thumb wheels are kind of a thing of the past. That thing back there on the wall, I believe that,
I thought that was like an updated Enigma machine.
I don't know.
It's an Enigma machine, that's what it is.
It could be, or it could be a sequencer. It could be like one of those automatic pianos that, they have the holes in the sheets. Okay.
For anybody needing this information,
Uh,
videotaping it, I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel.
Up there explaining it.
Well, the last
Okay,
9
quick
minutes.
deal on timers. Bring up
Of course, it's in high definition, so it's already 900 megabytes.
program,
A new one?
new program.
So you can just close this.
Somebody will turn that off.
Does anybody know if YouTube has
Okay, new program, and let's go point. New, we want to come down to Minor detail.
You're supposed to imagine it.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. I hope by now all of you can go through this. I'm down to MicroLogic 1100 Series B. Click on that. Say OK. And you come up to there. I'm gonna, oops, I need to click into here. I'm gonna one click there and bring that down. I clicked on the run. I have it over on user tag. And I'm gonna just come down and bring down examine on instruction. Gentlemen, thank you. I'm going to click on timer counter, and you have a variety of things up here. I'm going to take a timer, and I can either put it right here on the green